sir, and all my friends. Today I heard standing on the stage before you all guys to deliver my presentation. So today my presentation topic is anti-drugs. So in this topic I will tell first of all in this topic I will tell you what is drugs, and then second I will tell you why do people start taking drugs, and then how drugs destroy our life, and the signs of drugs addiction, and how can we stop the drugs, and in last conclusion. So let's start with the introduction of what is drugs. So first of all I need your opinion. What is drugs according to you? What is drug according to you? Can you tell?
Drugs is a very harmful chemical for our body.
You are right. So according to me, drugs is a chemical substance which destroy our brain as well as our body. Some drugs are very helpful. For example, medicine. It helps us to recover our body, and some are very harmful, which destroy our whole body system as well as the brain. Now let's talk about some examples. First of all, I need your opinion. What are some examples of drugs?
Cigarette, alcohol, caffeine.
Wait, not you. Can you tell example of drugs? Yes, Rajat? Yes, right. Let's talk. What are the example of the drugs? The first example is that tobacco. Nowadays people are using too much tobacco, and it is polluting the earth also. Now the second is that caffeine. The people like too much caffeine to drink after the gym. Now the third is that medicine. Medicine is very harmful for us, because if we will eat the medicine too much, so it can harm to us. Now the third is that some medicine also came. So some injections and some medicine and the powder also came in the form of the drugs. And the biggest is that alcohol nowadays is too much as a form of drugs. Now let's talk about why do people start taking the drugs. Can anyone tell why do people start taking the drugs?
Because of fear.
Can you tell why do people start taking drugs? Don't know. Okay. Kamya, can you tell?
People start taking drugs because of fear. Because of fear of something, and because of pressure of something, pressure of job, pressure of family, pressure of children.
Now let's understand this thing as a graph. In the graph, what happened that the most of the 45% that people start taking the drugs is that peer pressure. In that the friend said to us, friend for just one time, but on that just time it destroy our whole body and our whole future. Then second is fearing from the stress. In the stress, like a student who is not getting the exam, and he is saying that for just one time I want to taste, I want to feel what is the drugs. On that time people start taking, in the stress the people start taking the drugs. And then is just curiosity. Some nowadays the teenager as well as the children are too much curiosity to learn new things, and on that time also the students start taking the drugs. And the third is the social media. In the social media, what happen, as we know that whatever children see on their mobile, and they do that thing only, so that come in the third 10%. And last is if the doctor provide us like medicine, it provide to us also. Now let's talk about how drugs destroy us. I need your opinion. Can you tell how drugs destroy us? Nirbhay, can you tell how drugs destroy us? Pranjal? Perfect. Can you tell me? You are right. You three are right according whatever point you tell. The first is that it damages our brain. For example, like if we are taking too much drugs, so what happened that drugs started going to our mind, and it affect to us too much. Then second is that poor performance in the exam. Also the students the student are performing very low because of drugs, because they are taking too much drugs. And the fourth is that family problem. In the family problem also, like what happened that if the whatever surrounding the children will get, that the children will do that thing only. Now let's talk about that the signs of addiction of the drugs. Can anyone tell what are the signs of addiction? Ma'am, can you tell? Addiction. What are the signs of drugs? Can you tell?
start just having that curiosity to drink it again and again. And
you are right. The first is that it always like if we will use it, if we will try the drugs, so what happen that it will we will think like we want to one more time, and that one more time becomes 1,000 times, and it is and it affect us too much. And the second is that the person who is taking the drugs, their eyes will be red. And the third is that the poor performance in the exam. The children will perform very poor in their exams. Now let's talk about the what student can do. The first is that the student can protest. The student can say no to drugs, because if they will use the drugs, so what will happen in our future of the future of India. So the second step is that they can start taking the rally. In the rally they can aware the people that we should not take the drugs, because drugs destroy our whole mentality and whole body. Now let's talk about the conclusion. So according to me, conclusion is that drugs is very attractive, but other hand it is very harmful for us. If we will take the drugs too much, so it will affect our whole body as well as the mind, and inside the physical as well as the interior of our body. That's all my side. Thank you and have a nice day.
you told us about that students have the addiction of taking drugs, okay? And they're performing very low in the exams also. Can you tell me how, because of drugs, students are performing low in the exams? Why are not scoring good after taking drugs?
Because in the exam what happened that the students are taking too much stress that how I will do this type of exam. So that stress on that stress the student take the drugs on that time. So that drugs whatever the student is taking the drugs, so what happened that the student start taking the drugs too much and again. Yes, student.
How can you stop taking drugs?
Can you repeat?
How can you stop taking drugs?
We can